Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Facebook app marketplace isn't available right now error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try if you're having this problem is to check the Facebook Marketplace eligibility. So the potential cause for the Facebook Marketplace unavailability could stem from not meeting the essential criteria. So to unlock access and leverage the marketplace features, it is crucial to verify that your account is in good standing and then you're at least 18 years old. So furthermore, confirm you're situated in a region where marketplace is accessible and utilize the most recent version of the Facebook app or an updated web browser. And then next, what you can do is to simply log out and log back in your Facebook. So at times, resolving issues with accessing Marketplace on Facebook can be as simple as refreshing your session. And to do this, click onto the downward arrow on your on your just click on your profile picture, locate at the top right corner of the Facebook. So just simply choose log out and then log back in by entering your email address or phone number along with your password. So after you've done that, what you can do next is to check for violations and restrictions. So if your entry to Facebook Marketplace is restricted, it could be a result of policy violations or other limitations on your account. So to restore access, carefully review your Facebook's commerce policies to confirm compliance with their terms, address any outstanding issues or restrictions on your account, and additionally, refrain from participating in activities that breach Facebook's terms of use to prevent potential future blocks. And then lastly, what you can do if you're having this problem is to update the Facebook app. So encountering difficulties accessing specific features such as Marketplace may result from using an outdated version of the Facebook app. And to prevent this, just ensure that the app is regularly updated. So for Android users, navigate to the Play Store app or Google Play Store app, tap the profile icon at the top right and select Manage and Device. So after that, locate Facebook in the list and tap Update if available. And for iOS users, you can open your App Store and tap their profile icon at the top right to scroll, view pending updates, and tap Update next to Facebook if an update is available or accessible. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you cannot access the Facebook Marketplace on your device. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.